And we are live here at the corner of Drake and Weston. Let's go ahead and begin today. It was a 2-hour delay schedule, so that's why the video is coming later. I'm sorry for that. People out there wanting to do the work had to wait. That was the issue. Maybe next time I just record during class. Maybe I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and begin with today. We go to weekly agenda like we normally do. We go ahead and click and see what we're doing today in class. We realize we are kind of doing the same thing we did yesterday. We're finishing up the notes. Today, most classes, because of the 2-hour delay schedule, only were able to get to the notes. We didn't quite get to the map. So we're going to push that off to tomorrow. I know some classes were able to kind of start this map, but I'm going to do it and introduce it to more tomorrow, so you do not have to worry about it. So this number 3, natural resource map, we'll wait until that tomorrow. If you want to work ahead, you can. You're just kind of basically recreating the map using this map here, and then using the image below. It should be a map of America right there, and then using the image below. But I'll go over more of that tomorrow, so do not worry about that. If you already have, yeah, fine, good work. If not, don't worry. All right, so today, must-haves. We're working at bell work. The words, natural resources, we talked about. You should have got the definition yesterday. We're talking about natural resources. If you look at our PowerPoint that we've been working on our notes, I've kind of described what natural resources are on here. So natural resources are what? Things that can be found in nature. How would you describe these resources, these images? So that's what you're looking at. You can see examples are right there as well. Next word, agriculture is just a fancy word for farming. So describe what farming is like. What do we do with farming? What do we grow? That would be your examples, is what we grow. Mining, same thing. We kind of know what mining is. Describe what the elements of mining, how do we do it? What do we need to do? Where is it found? And fossil fuels, if you look at our notes, they're pretty much everything here in a non-renewable. So coal is a fossil fuel, oil is a fossil fuel, and natural gas. So how would you describe those things, where they can be found, how long does it take to make? Those are the must-haves. And then tomorrow I'll work on examples, which if you look at my notes, has most of the answers on them as well. All right. Now we're going to move on to today's work, which is we're going to finish up the notes that were started yesterday. So we look on the notes here. There are 6 questions you need to fill out for me. So make sure you're using the Google and trying to figure out that one. There are a couple answers for some of these. So if you get one and it seems, or you have a couple you don't know about, there are some answers. Now, some of them are pretty similar, pretty simple. Like this one can be multiple ones. I see how people do it depending on what browser you're using, but this one, it should be the same, and some of the other ones should be the same. So you're just Googling these and putting the answers in. Some of the old ones have apparently, no one told me this. This one's supposed to say country. Some people might have one that says county. So just make sure you do county, not country. You should be able to find the answer on that one pretty easily. So we're just finishing up the notes, PowerPoint right here. You can find that on my notes page if we go back to my Canvas. Actually, where you can turn it in at. There you'll find the PowerPoint and the notes, so you can finish up the notes. And you see some kids have already turned it in, so that's why we're working on that today, finishing it up. So kids are working on the last 6 questions today. So make sure you get those last 6 questions done for me and turned in, and that's what we're going to be working on today. Tomorrow we'll be doing the map, and then we'll go on from there and kind of base it off of what we get done and how far and stuff of that nature. As always, if you have any issues, email me, Teams me, all right? Hit me up, say, what's up, Mr. Vaught? I don't understand this. And I'm like, okay, let's figure that out. So do whatever you need to do. Let me know. If you want paper copies or you need something like that, let me know. I've been trying to put them in the office as best I can. Some of these things are easier to do than others. I've had to manipulate some and change a few things up, but just you gotta let us know, okay? Let your teachers know what's going on. Just saying hello, making sure you're still like awake. Some of you guys I haven't seen like over a week, so making sure everything's just all good with you guys. All right, so let us know, say how things are going. Email, Teams us up, whatnot. All right, that is it. Have a good one. I will see you sometime.